Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can customize your checkout page on or checkout fields on WooCommerce. So let's get right into it. Now you can do this using the block editor, and I'm going to be using this guide to show you guys exactly how. The reason I'm using a guide instead of showing you hands-on is because I do not have a WooCommerce subscription. It is way too expensive at the moment for me, so I'm just going to have to do it like this. I hope you don't mind. Now, this article, by the way, is on WooCommerce, and it is called How to Customize the Checkout Page, and I do recommend using the block editor since it is the simplest way to do so. And yeah, what you need to do is go to the site editor and go to Appearance Editor, Pages, and then go to Checkout, and navigate to your dashboard and go to Pages or Checkout otherwise. Now, once you're in the block editor, you'll be able to add or edit or remove a couple of elements. These are the order notes, the terms and conditions, the coupon code, phone number, company name, address, second address, section headings and step numbers, section descriptions, and return to cart link. And this is what your checkout page will look if you removed all of these. But if you kept everything, this is what it would look like right over here. And to use the customizer, you just need to go into Appearance and Customizer. In your dashboard, you'll find a variety of options. In the left hand menu, navigate to WooCommerce and go into Checkout. Here you can hide the company name, address line, and phone fields, and you can also leave the privacy policy field blank to remove that from the checkout page as well. And you can also use any field editor plugins or any plugins at all. You can also use code if you wanted to, however, that is a bit more complex. I would recommend checking out all the plugins that are available to you and at your disposal. They are very useful and they could make quite a difference in actually creating a good checkout page. But all in all, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys are enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.